Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna cover everything you need to know to be successful on the apcalculus BC exam Unit 9 Polar Coordinates. Number 1, we're gonna talk about the position. Excavate R of t equals S of t y of t. Number 2, we're going to talk about the velocity. Excavate v of t equals dx over dt, dy over dt. Or sometimes we're going to write this one as s prime of t, y prime of t. Number 3, we're going to talk about the speed. The speed is the magnitude of the velocity vector, so it could be absolute value of v of t. So it could be square root of ds over dt altogether square plus dy over dt altogether square. Number 4, we're going to talk about the acceleration vector. A of t is the second derivative of the position, right? Or sometimes we can rewrite this one as s double prime of t, y double prime of t. By the total distance traveled by position vector is given by is also the arc length of a parametric curve. Now, number 6, we're going to talk about the magnitude of the displacement of the object over the time interval t1 to t2. We need to calculate delta f equals integral from t1 to t2 of ds over dt times dt, right? Delta y is going to be integral from t1 to t2 of dy over dt times dt. And displacement magnitude is absolute value of delta r equals square root of delta s square plus delta y square. Now next one, number 7. You need to memorize the following conversions. S equals r cosine theta. Y equals r sine theta, right? Now if I'm going to square this one, it's going to be s square equals r square cosine square theta. Y square equals r square sine square theta, right? If I add this guy up, it's going to be s square plus y square equals r square, right? And remember, tangent theta equals y over s. Number 8, we're going to talk about the dy over ds equals dy over d theta divided by ds over d theta. Basically, you just divide the top and bottom by d theta. Now, number 9, the error enclosed by a polar curve. It's going to be a equals 1/2 integral from a to b of the radius square d theta. Now number 10, the error between two polar curves is going to be a equals 1/2 integral from a to b of the outer radius square subtract the inner radius square d theta. Now be careful, you're not going to write this way 1/2 integral from a to b of outer radius subtract inner radius altogether square d theta. This one is completely wrong. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.